we're talking about Slick Slam Sam. And other people were making some contact. Like this is the word Sam. Like this is where I got there from contact. This is a new image. Well, actually, I'll show you the original image. Well, I used to be having a Sammy animated with like you can see that it's actually because we're just going to just talk about Slick and Sam. So when we go here, we're gonna go on to type. My channel is guys. I know what is about from my channel, but in Sammy's channel, I'll show you what Sammy's. I'm gonna watch this video, so I'm gonna show you what it's about. Oh wait, it's just very long. So joined October 10, 2017. I guess maybe. So don't look at the last video like that, but they actually made more. And who is making this? I think they were different people, and they got these actors. Voice actor, it's like saying, like, let's show you this. These are his friends, but actually, because you see that they're the exact same. His nose, he said that he's available. Who made Spider Team? So you can see that I think there are other people that made this for like for the shot for Sammy. It's very, it's not really Sammy. I was actually making a joke. I was actually there is someone that made this, and this tell us who it is. It said United States. Yeah, but there's other channels that are in language, so I guess it doesn't say. But if you can see, there is a actual thing that we can go. I'll show you all these. If all of their channels are just in different language, and that's because they don't really make animated or they do make animated, not animated videos. So just put those animated pictures. So I would show you the old time. The old time used to be like that. This is not how it looks like, guys. So if all of you remembered it, then you probably, if someone don't remember it, and actually, because I remember it just kept DI. It just had used to be 6MCM with those 6 logos. The picture, the profile picture was used to be like the. This is I can't do this. Let me show you the before, okay? Guys, I didn't find anything, but there is this system live. But there is a old footage. Guys, if you find it, then I will know. That will post some Slick Sam thing that you can join. I don't know. I like this. Well, guys, see you next time. Bye.